Can you work for 20 more years? That's what I've been asking myself. I'm mid-30s, I have at least 20 years left of work in me, and I have a physical job. How am I going to keep myself working for that next 20 years? The answer is mobility and flexibility. So, by keeping my mobility and my flexibility up, my joints are going to be more mobile. I'm not going to be getting stiff and stuck and tired and working myself into the ground. I have seen countless people do this. They get a little pain, they stop moving because they're pain avoiding, and they end up just pain avoiding, and losing all their mobility until they have to change jobs, stop work early. Um, and I don't want that to be me, and I don't want it to be you. So keep moving. If you do need help, definitely seek out a health professional to get you through that first little bit, and then it's up to you to maintain your body. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. As always, making wellness education accessible to everybody. I'll see you on the next one.